today we're putting this and that. I will add, we had a little bit of squeaking going on this morning. I think we have a different issue going on with the pulleys or the fan clutch. So that'll be another project for next time. But for now, we're gonna throw this on there. I'm not going to document the install because one, I'm not a mechanic, and two, you get a awesome instruction manual. All right, so we removed the stock intake off of the 4Runner. And here's a little side-by-side with the new versus the old. This is the old setup. Part of the reason I ended up doing this intake to begin with was because I had a feeling this was gonna be really dirty, which it is. So that's going out, and then this is the new one here. It's pre-oiled, so I don't really want to touch it too much. And there's the new plumbing, the new box, versus the sad old setup. Took a little bit longer than expected. Had to go get some extra vacuum line because they sent fuel hose instead of vacuum line. Overall, it's pretty simple install. Not super stoked on how this looks with this sensor here. The instructions were a little bit unclear as to where the spacers go, so this could be wrong. But that's the way I did it, so hopefully it doesn't leak or anything. We'll see in a second when we start it up here. All right, so fan blade is hitting our tubing here. Not cute. That's good. Yeah, the only thing, the clearance there is super tight. It was rubbing at first, so I was able to shove this in further and tighten it. That, I wasn't super happy with fitting on this. And the spacers are gonna get them. I'm gonna redo that later. But overall, it's pretty quiet. It looks a lot better. Sounds great, and we like it.